brush set. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have such an exciting video for you guys because this is every single base box spoiler you can think of that is out there right now. I have compiled them all into one video right here for you guys. So if that's something that excites you, then just keep on watching. I had this weird wonky hair sticking up right here. Nobody told me. Okay. So this is for the September base box 2020. There are 4 variations out right now. We are going to go over those. And the theme for September is glam vibes only. But I wanted to chat about that for a second because I'm confused. Why is there themes for Boxycharm anymore? Have you guys noticed any kind of theme at all that matches your theme card? I haven't. Alrighty. Anyways, that was just something that was on my mind. I'm like, why is there themes for Boxycharm? It never follows a theme, ever. So, anyways, let's just hop right into these because there's a lot. So, variation number 105. Yeah, 105. That's insane to me. Okay. Spoiler number 1 for that box is the Pharmacy Beauty Cheer Up Vitamin C Eye Cream valued at $45. And I was discussing this with a couple of you guys in a previous spoiler video. We were concerned because in the choice, it showed a bigger container than what is being advertised is actually coming. So that was kind of misleading and not very cool on Boxycharm's side of things. I don't know. What do you guys think? Because it is the smaller size on there. Alrighty, and then spoiler number 2 for that box is the Luna Magic Los Angeles Beauty with a Latina Vibe 4-piece brush set. And these are valued at $18 and they are cruelty free and they are vibrant and they are beautiful. There is one brush in there that's pretty big when it comes to eyeballs, but you can use that for other things for your face, like precise blush pudding. I guess that makes sense. And highlighter as well. You guys know me. All right. I'm a sucker for anything brushes. I will never complain about a brush, ever. Ever, ever, ever. I love makeup brushes. Eventually one day, and I've told you guys this before, I will come out with my own makeup brush line. It's gonna happen. When? I don't know. But it's gonna. Alright, and then spoiler number 3 is the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette. There is mostly pinky purple tones in this palette, and it's valued at $30. And this one is also cruelty-free and vegan. I like to always mention that when I'm doing my videos, because I know a lot of you out there only like to purchase or have products that are cruelty-free and vegan. So I definitely try to mention that whenever I come across that product is cruelty-free or vegan. And then spoiler number 4 is the Huda Beauty Metal and Metallic Melted Shadow Dual-Ended Matte on one side, Shimmer or Sparkle on the other. It's valued at $25, and in this particular variation, the shade names were Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. Ooh, so pretty. Spoiler number 5 is the Huda Beauty Life Liner. And this is the Duo Eye Pencil and Liquid Liner, valued at $25. This is a waterproof product. And I thought it was quite interesting that there was 2 Huda products in one box. I don't know. who does pretty good products. So I guess I wouldn't complain if I got 2 products from her. So good. That is all for the first variation. I think out of that box, my favorite product would have to be the Luna Magic brush set. Of course, I love brushes. Okay, then we have another full box variation. I'm not sure of the variation number. Spoiler 1 for that variation is the Kate Somerville Skincare Exfolikate, valued at $24. I have talked about this a lot on my channel. I absolutely love it. It's not for sensitive skin, that's for sure. There is cinnamon in this product as an ingredient, but it is a chemical exfoliant and it works wonders. It's absolutely amazing and I love it. But sensitive skin, not for you. But they do have a sensitive version on their website, so be sure to check that out. Spoiler number 2 for this variation is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Duo Eye Pencil and Liquid Liner, valued at $25. Again, this is waterproof, so that's great, and it is smudge proof as well. Spoiler number 3 is an odd one. It is the Blink Ink in collab with Boxycharm Evening Glamour Palette, valued at $26. On their website, that is the sale price. Originally, it was $45 and it's sold out. So I'm sure Boxycharm got it highly discounted and put it in the box since it's part theirs. So what do you think about that? There is another palette from this company that's in collab with Boxycharm that was in a Boxycharm in 2019, I believe. Let me know if you got that one and what you thought of it. And then for spoiler number 4, we have the $1 billion Brow Beauty Sponge. Yay! One, I love $1 billion brows. That's what I'm wearing on my eyebrows today. And who doesn't like a beauty sponge, right? It is gray. It's valued at $15, and I am slightly confused by the fact that it's charcoal infused. I tried to search their website to find out why it was charcoal infused, and I couldn't find any details on it except for the fact that it's charcoal infused. So odd, right? Spoiler number 5 for this box is the Hank & Henry Beauty Lip Love lipstick in the shade Love. It is a satin finish and it's topped with a pearl coating that dissolves as you apply. That sounds fun. And it is valued at $19 and it is also cruelty-free and vegan. But the packaging on it, yes, I love that. That is beautiful. Moving on to the next box variation. Again, we don't have a number. I'm sorry. People don't put their box variation numbers out there. Please do if you post it. It would be very helpful to not only me or other spoiler channels, but your fellow community in Boxycharm that would like to see what variation a certain box is. Spoiler number 1 for this variation is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold, valued at $24. This is volumizing. The bristles on the mascara wand are all wonky and there's not really any rhyme or reason to it. So that is that one. And then spoiler number 2 for this one, again, another repeat item, is the $1 Billion Brows Beauty Sponge, valued at $15. That's the one that has the charcoal in it for who knows why. And then there is spoiler number 3, the Kate Somerville Exfolikate, valued at $24. Absolutely love this product. I'll sing it to the world. I'll sing it from the mountaintops. I love this product. Sorry, you guys. I am in a mood. And I actually forgot. I have these on. But I actually went to the emergency room today. Because, like you guys know, I have a problem with my arm. But another thing we found out while trying to figure out what's wrong with my arm is I have degenerative discs in my neck. Well, I woke up this morning and it was my neck was quite sore, and I'm like, oh great, I got a kink in my neck. I slept on it wrong. That sucks. Push through the day, right? And then about I want to say 12:30ish, noon-ish, I was sitting there looking down at my phone with my head facing down, and all of a sudden my neck got super warm and my head got super warm, and then all of a sudden the most intense throbbing pain was in my head, and I like dropped to the ground, and it hurt so bad. So I went to the hospital because obviously that's not normal, and they did x-rays and they saw my degenerative discs in my neck, and they said basically what they thought happened was I slept for a long period of time on my neck last night, going like over here, so it was pinching my muscle next to my spine, and now I have a muscle spasm that is stuck in my neck, and I have to massage it. I have to put heat on it. I have to put cold presses on it. And I have to massage it by going down, down, down. And then after doing that for a while, I'm going to massage it going up, up, up. And they said it could take up to a week for it to heal. What? So, yeah, it's been a long day, so I'm a little bit funny today. But yeah, that's why I have these beautiful bracelets. I'm allergic to tape, so I'll have to take those off after this video. Anyways, moving on, we have in this variation so far, we have the Laura Geller mascara, the $1 Billion Brows Beauty Sponge, the Kate Somerville Exfolikate, and then spoiler number 4, again, we've already heard this one, is the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows, valued at $25. And then the very last spoiler for this one is the Tarte Cosmetics Spanglish Eyeshadow Palette. And we do not know a price on this one because it launched in Boxycharm. So it hasn't launched on Tarte Cosmetics website yet, so we are the first ones who get to try this palette, so that's super cool. And if you guys know me, you know how much I love me some Alamar Cosmetic eyeshadows because they are pigmented the house and they are amazing. Alrighty, then we have another variation of a box, but it's not a complete variation. It's weird. Spoiler number 1 for this one is the Hip Dot Zion palette, valued at $30. And then spoiler number 2 is the Persona Cosmetics Double-Ended Power Brush, valued at $24. That one is cruelty-free and vegan. And then spoiler number 3 for this box is the Persona Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Toffee, and it's valued at $16. And spoiler number 4 and 5 were not shown with this box, so I'm not quite sure what those ones are. That's all the variations I have. I do have extra spoilers for the base box. I just don't have a full box made up of the spoilers. But if you guys have received your boxes by now, I'm sure you guys haven't because I heard they've been super duper late. If you know what variation these boxes are, if you could leave it down in the comments for other people to be able to find that, I would be greatly appreciative of that. Okay, moving on. We're almost done to the extra spoilers. So, spoiler number 1 is a cruelty-free product. Yes. It is by Phase Zero Makeup. It is the Blush and Bronzer Trio, valued at $46.50. That's expensive for a company I've never heard of before. If you've heard of this company, be sure to leave it down below. And is it worth the $46.50? It's only 3 products in there. I don't know about that. Okay, and then spoiler 2 for the extra spoilers. If you get Boxy Luxe, then you would have gotten this as a choice item, and it is the Biro Tomato Serum, valued at $150. And I wanted to clarify a little bit about this serum. So I put this serum in my Boxycharm scamming video, which I will leave up there or down below. Most likely down below, I will link that video. And I was talking about the tomato serum because a couple of people wanted to know if this was kind of like the other situation where there was like a cream that was like $200 million and it turned out to only be like $1 and it was fake and it was on like Alibaba and stuff like that. I think that's the website. Not sure. But they were saying it was a different company, and it wasn't. It was this other company that was selling for $1 on like some underground makeup website. I don't know. Don't come for me. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, I checked into this Biro serum because a couple of people were wondering if it was kind of the same situation with it being $150. I checked it out. The website checks out. They've been a company for, I think, about 4 years now. The serum is good. The serum's very good. I ranted about it because it's a tomato serum, but there's less than 1% tomato in the product. But all the other ingredients are super, super good. So it's good for your face. It's just not what it's advertised as. So you're not going to get the chemical exfoliant from the tomato because it's literally less than 1% of it in there. So that was weird, but I wanted to clarify on that. Now, if you have stayed this long in the video, congratulations. You get to see some of the very first October spoilers for Base Box. Yay! Okay, let's dive in. So the first one is vegan and cruelty-free. This has been confirmed by Joe. It will be in the Boxycharm Base Box for October. It is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer valued at $24. Formulated with sunflower seed oil to moisturize, shea butter to moisturize, and natural vitamin E protects against UV damage and pollution. That sounds like a freaking amazing concealer. Why haven't I tried this yet? I don't know. And then spoiler number 2 that has been confirmed is a vegan product. It is from Tarte Cosmetics. It's the Maracuja Miracle Mist valued at $23. It sets your makeup for 16 hours and makes your makeup waterproof. I don't think I've ever heard of a setting spray that does that before. Have you? Which one was it? Let me know, because that's amazing. That would have been nice to know during the summer, going swimming and wearing makeup and being able to spray it down and have it waterproofed. Okay, spoiler number 3, which has also been confirmed, is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette valued at $38. It's a decent palette. It's just, you know, kind of like the Spanglish palette and the Hip Dot palette, but it's nice. And then spoiler number 1 that has not been confirmed to which box it will be in. It's been confirmed to come in October's box, but I don't know which one it'll be coming in. And that is the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Makeup Primer valued at $39 for 0.5 ounces. What? That seems insane to me. And then spoiler number 2, which is the last spoiler of the video. It has not been confirmed to which box it will be in, but it has been confirmed for October. And it is cruelty-free. And it is the Murad Skincare Hydrating Toner valued at $35, and it's alcohol-free. Yes. Alrighty, you guys, that is all I have for you for the spoilers for the Base Box for October. Please let me know down below if you have gotten your box yet. If you have, what variation did you get? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Alrighty, you guys, I love you guys so, so very much, and I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.